Welcome to EncLayer, a groundbreaking solution bringing confidential DeFi to the Solana blockchain. EncLayer enables private computation without sacrificing speed or composability, addressing one of the most critical challenges in decentralized finance today. Let's examine the privacy problem in DeFi. Currently, all transactions on public blockchains are completely transparent. Your trading strategies, portfolio positions, and financial activities are exposed for everyone to see. This creates serious consequences: front-running attacks, MEV exploitation, competitive disadvantages, and a complete lack of financial privacy. For institutional adoption and mainstream use, this transparency is simply unacceptable. Privacy isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's essential for various stakeholders in the DeFi ecosystem. Market makers need to protect their strategies from being copied or exploited. Institutions require confidentiality to comply with regulations and protect sensitive financial data. Payroll systems must keep employee compensation private. Lending desks need to shield their risk positions. And DAO operations require confidential voting and treasury management. Without privacy, these use cases simply cannot function effectively in DeFi. Solana offers incredible advantages as a blockchain platform. It delivers unmatched speed with sub-second finality, massive throughput handling thousands of transactions per second, and extremely low costs. However, Solana faces a critical limitation. Like all public blockchains, it lacks native privacy features. Every transaction and state change is visible to everyone. This is where EncLayer comes in, adding a privacy layer while preserving all of Solana's performance benefits. The technology powering EncLayer is fully homomorphic encryption, or FHE. This revolutionary cryptographic technique works in three steps. First, data is encrypted on the client side. Second, computations are performed directly on the encrypted data without ever decrypting it. Third, the encrypted results are returned and can only be decrypted by authorized parties. The mathematical property that makes this possible is that operations on encrypted data produce encrypted results that, when decrypted, match the results of operations on the original data. This means complete privacy with full computational capability. Let me walk you through the Solana role architecture. The system consists of 5 key components working together seamlessly. First, the Solana layer handles public state and transaction ordering. Second, the encryption layer manages FHE operations and encrypted state. Third, the execution environment processes confidential computations. Fourth, the proof system generates validity proofs for encrypted operations. And fifth, the settlement layer finalizes state updates back to Solana. This architecture ensures that privacy and performance work hand in hand. EncLayer was designed with 6 core principles in mind. Privacy first, all sensitive data remains encrypted end to end. Security, cryptographic guarantees protect against all attacks. Solana compatibility, seamless integration with existing Solana programs and infrastructure. Cost efficiency, optimized FHE operations, keep transaction costs reasonable. Trust minimization, no trusted third parties or centralized components. And deployability, practical implementation that works today, not just in theory. Here's a concrete example of how the protocol works for a private trade. A user submits an encrypted order to the system. The order is processed through the FHE execution environment where matching occurs on encrypted data. The trade settles with encrypted amounts and prices. A validity proof is generated and verified on Solana. Finally, the public state is updated on Solana while all sensitive details remain encrypted. Throughout this entire process, no one except the authorized parties can see the trade details, yet the system maintains full integrity and composability. The applications for confidential DeFi are vast and transformative. Private decentralized exchanges allow trading without revealing strategies. Confidential lending protocols protect borrower and lender positions. Private DAOs enable confidential governance and treasury management. Encrypted payroll systems bring corporate finance to blockchain, and confidential derivatives markets can finally operate without information leakage. EncLayer makes all of these use cases possible on Solana. Looking ahead, our roadmap is ambitious but achievable. Phase 1 focuses on core FHE infrastructure and basic private transactions. Phase 2 introduces confidential smart contracts and developer tools. Phase 3 expands to cross-chain privacy and advanced applications. And Phase 4 delivers a fully general-purpose confidential DeFi ecosystem. EncLayer represents the future of DeFi on Solana, private, fast, and composable. The era of confidential decentralized finance is here.